Hello and welcome to the Red Team Sprint for this week. This is Bulam Swancom with Alex Larson and James Babcock and Ramya Nadi. And this is our spreadsheet here for Google Docs with the names of our presenters and presentations. And then we're going to go to our Form Ranger, which is a Google Script plugin that we found we're using to populate our questions with the columns of the name of the presenters and then also the presentation. So in the form of drop-down lists, which we'll explore in a minute here. Okay. Next is our actual Google Docs, and we're gonna test how it actually works. So we have our presenter names as drop-downs, and we have the class list on here. But if another presenter is not on here, we can click other and continue. Then we enter a name, whichever presenter is, then click continue. Then we have an option to pick a presentation, and if the presentation is not on here, click other again and enter the valid presentation, continue, and then just give the ratings or give the team the feedback and go through there and do that with the valid email address and comments. Comments is also required. Okay, and then click submit. Now that is done, so we go back to our spreadsheet here, and we can see that in a minute it'll pop up. There you go, Rainbow Team and sum one sum. Yep. Now this is our script that drives all of this from behind the scenes. We have a script that on submit gets the values, loads them into this, load them into the list, and then finds the spreadsheet. And then it checks for if we entered a new name for presenter. If we did, then it adds it to the spreadsheet, and then it also does the same thing for a new project, and then it just populates the spreadsheet with Form Ranger. And now we can click submit or submit another response, and then we go down to the bottom of the list and we see that someone is there, and it gets populated just like that. And then the presentation for Rainbow Team is also there, and we can pretty much rinse and repeat. And that is our Google Docs update for this week.